File handling allows scripts to interact with the file system by reading from and writing to files. This capability is essential for tasks like saving game progress, logging data, and reading configuration settings. Use the IOOpen function to open a file. You need to specify the file name and the mode. File modes are: read the file. The file must exist. W. Write the file. Creates a new file or truncates an existing file. A. Append to the file. Opens the file for writing, preserving existing content. R. Plus. It can read and write. The file must exist. W. Plus. It can read and write. Creates a new file or truncates an existing file. A. Plus. It can read and append. Opens the file for reading and writing, preserving existing content. After performing operations, close the file to release system resources. You can read the entire content or line by line. The *all argument used with file read is a special pattern that instructs the function to read the entire content of the file. It reads the entire file content as a single string. This is useful when you want to load the whole file into memory at once. Other patterns with file read are *n, it reads a number from the file. *l, it reads a single line from the file. *a, it reads all the remaining data from the current position to the end of the file. These patterns offer flexibility depending on the type and structure of data you're dealing with. This code snippet reads a file line by line and prints each line to the console. The approach is efficient for processing large files as it reads one line at a time rather than loading the entire file into memory. To write to a file, open the File in Write or Append mode. This code effectively demonstrates how to create or overwrite a file with specific content. This snippet appends data to an existing file. The code is useful for adding new content to a file without removing or modifying existing data. These basics allows you to perform essential file operations, whether for logging, data storage, or configuration management. With these skills, you can enhance your scripts to interact with the file system effectively and manage data persistence in your applications.